Hey, everyone, welcome back to. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews, bike launches, and everything related to the world of motorcycles. Today, we've got an exciting review for you, and trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Today we're diving into one of the most highly anticipated bikes of 2026, the Hero Karizma XMR 250. Hero Moto Corp has long been a staple in the Indian motorcycle market, and with the release of the Karizma XMR 250 they're looking to make a major statement. In the premium segment, this bike is packed with features, tech, and design that could potentially make it a game changer. So let's take a deep dive into what the 2026 Hero Karizma XMR 250 is all about. First up, let's talk about the design. The Hero Karizma XMR 250 adopts a completely fresh approach when it comes to styling. Unlike the traditional Hero design language we've seen in previous models, this bike is all about sharp, aggressive, and modern aesthetics. The front end of the bike is dominated by a split LED headlamp setup, which gives it a futuristic look. The angular lines of the fairing flow smoothly into the tank, which not only looks sporty, but also provides a comfortable grip for the rider. One of the first things that stand out is the color options. The XMR 250 comes in some really bold and dynamic colors, with the matte black, vibrant red, and striking blue being the top picks. The paint finish is top-notch and gives the bike a premium look. The bike's build quality is robust, and the fit and finish feel like it belongs in a much higher price segment. The ergonomics are designed to cater to both comfort and performance. The seat is slightly rear set, allowing for a more aggressive riding posture without sacrificing comfort, making it ideal for both city commutes and weekend rides. Now, let's get into what really matters, the performance. The 2026 Hero Karizma XMR 250 is powered by a 249cc, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This engine is mated to a 6-speed gearbox and is tuned to produce around 30 horsepower and 22 Nm of torque. Hero has done a fantastic job in balancing power delivery with fuel efficiency. This makes the bike not only a blast to ride, but also practical for everyday use. Speaking of performance, let's talk about the acceleration. With the peak power delivered at around 9,500 RPM, the Karizma XMR 250 feels incredibly quick off the line. Whether you're zipping through city traffic or carting up twisty roads, the bike's engine feels responsive and eager to rev. The throttle response is smooth and well calibrated, making it an absolute joy to handle in all conditions. When it comes to handling, the Hero Karizma XMR 250 is equipped with a trellis frame, which helps in maintaining the bike's agility while still providing enough stability at higher speeds. The suspension setup consists of telescopic forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear. This gives the bike a balanced ride, absorbing bumps and imperfections in the road without making it feel too soft or too stiff. Hero has also equipped this bike with alloy wheels that are lightweight, contributing to quicker handling and less rotational mass. Whether you're taking tight corners or cruising at higher speeds, the Karizma XMR 250 is a pleasure to ride. The braking system on the Karizma XMR 250 is another highlight. It features dual-channel ABS with a 300mm disc at the front and a 220mm disc at the rear. The braking is sharp, with excellent feedback, giving you confidence in both wet and dry conditions. Moving on to the tech side of things, this is where Hero has really stepped up their game. The Karizma XMR 250 is equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster that gives you all the information you need at a glance. From speed, fuel economy, and gear position to the trip meters, tachometer, and even a real-time fuel efficiency meter, this cluster is designed to keep you informed. The bike also comes with a Bluetooth-enabled connectivity feature, allowing you to pair your smartphone with the bike and access navigation, call, and message notifications right on the display. Hero has even added a mobile app that works seamlessly with the bike to give you additional information like ride analytics and service reminders. Another standout feature is the LED lighting all around, including the signature DRL's daytime running lights. The LED headlamps provide excellent visibility, both in the city and on highways, ensuring that you're always seen by other road users. Now, let's talk about comfort. Despite being a sportier model, the 2026 Hero Karizma XMR 250 is surprisingly comfortable. The seat is designed to be spacious and cushioned enough for long rides, without putting too much strain on your back or wrists. The slightly forward-leaning stance is perfect for riders who enjoy aggressive cornering, but Hero has ensured it's not too extreme, making it a lot more usable for daily riding. The ergonomics of the bike are well suited to riders of all sizes. The handlebar positioning, seat height and foot peg placement are comfortable enough to suit different types of riders. Plus, the narrow waist design of the bike makes it very easy to maneuver in traffic, which is a huge plus for daily commuters. Hero has always been known for making bikes that are relatively fuel efficient, and the Karizma XMR 250 continues that tradition. On average, you can expect this bike to deliver around 30 to 35 kilometers per liter, depending on your riding style. This makes it a great option for those who want a powerful motorcycle without constantly worrying about fuel stops. With a fuel tank capacity of 12 liters, you can go on longer rides without needing to refuel too often. Now, let's talk about the pricing. While the 2026 Hero Karizma XMR 250 is positioned in the premium segment, it offers a very competitive price point compared to its rivals. Expect it to be priced around Rs 2.2 to Rs 2.5 lakh in India, which is a great deal when you consider the performance, technology, and features it offers. In terms of competition, the XMR 250 will go head-to-head with bikes like the Bajaj Pulsar RS 200, Yamaha R15 V4, and the TVS Apache RR 310. However, with its balanced performance and added features, the Karizma XMR 250 is certainly in the running to be one of the best in its class. So, after all is said and done, what do we think of the 2026 Hero Karizma XMR 250? It's a solid package. Hero has managed to build a motorcycle that blends style, performance, and technology in a way that's rarely seen in this price range. The Karizma XMR 250 is fun to ride, packed with features, and offers a smooth balance between daily usability and thrilling performance. Whether you're looking for something to take on your weekend rides or a bike that can handle city commuting with ease, the XMR 250 does it all. The design is fresh, the engine is punchy, and the bike comes loaded with modern tech that enhances the overall riding experience. If you're in the market for a sport bike in this segment, you definitely need to give this one a serious look. Alright folks, that wraps up our review of the 2026 Hero Karizma XMR 250. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We've got tons more bike reviews, comparison videos, and updates coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe and take care on the roads. See you in the next one.